What's good, guys? My name is Jonathan. Don't did the light into the side. What's good? So today, it's my dinner today. So, well, other fucking guys, I do mukbangers my first time. So, um, well, people know I don't do it. So, to everybody, I will drop the video tonight. Don't forget to like it to subscribe, okay? And this video is gonna be a quick video. So, what you gonna do? Okay? So, so, I am in the kitchen doing my hamburgers. So, don't forget to like and to subscribe, okay? And so, mmm, this bell is so good, everybody. Mmm, I'm on everybody. This is ketchup and spicy mustard, everybody. So good. So, so, I'm gonna do one more business tomorrow. I'm not sure. Leave a comment what videos you want me to do besides YouTube, okay? So, I am in the kitchen right now. I gotta do this video early. As my dad be on Facebook Live at 7:30, okay? So, I know everybody will see me live on Facebook Live. So, me and myself, you know. So, I do. So, if you see me live, I'm be on Facebook Live, okay? I will not be on Facebook Live. Don't be with me, okay? So, I got my middle name right here. I don't know if y'all see this. Hold on. Yeah, my middle name. Enjoy my food. Do my mukbangers. A mukbanger. So, I was add some beans. So, okay. So, so good. So, tell everybody that 66 is right. Yes, sir. Let's get that up. We got one more. Give me one more subscribe. We will sit away. We will sit away to be 67 subscribe. We will sit away, okay? Uh-huh. So, So I think that's it. Alright. Anything else was my channel? And you new to this video? This is just it. So, bomb video to tomorrow. So, post notifications on those two precious bit. You would get a shout out, post notifications all time the video. So, everybody, you guys have a great night. The new peanut started tonight. I'm dropping peanut tonight at 10 o'clock. Join my peanut tonight at 10. Like, subscribe. I'll see us tonight. June 4th. My show is gonna be on YouTube. Season 2 will be dropped June 4th, 2021. You guys have a great day. That's all. That's all that I did. More business. Those that did. To subscribe, to comment, and to subscribe. And you guys had a great day. Hi, the boy Jonathan. I'm the Watch Our Day, baby. I'm out. Have a great day. Yeah.
Golden, baby girl, we're golden. They're about to see us shine, cause we're golden. They can't ever break us down, cause we're golden. They're about to see us glow.